Did you know that over 80% of Americans will have some sort of low back pain throughout their life? My name is Dr. Keith Branty, chiropractor here at Coastal Chiropractic in Madison, Connecticut. Oftentimes when someone presents with low back pain, everyone will always think in their head, oh, it's just low back pain. The reality is that low back pain can come from many different areas, and it's never just a simple low back pain. There's always a cause. So when we look at the spine in a normal position, most of the bones need to all be nice and square, and they need to have these big open joint spaces. These joints are called discs, and those discs should be nice and big and filled with fluid. Now, many types of low back issues can arise. So someone can have something like a disc bulge. A disc bulge is when the disc material, the jelly on the inside, will pop out and it'll start to press upon a nerve. This yellow thing is the nerve, and the disc jelly is pressing upon that nerve. That's called the disc bulge. That will have very, very different symptoms than something such as maybe arthritis. Arthritis, on the other hand, is when the disc starts to wear away, and then people will form bone spurs upon those discs. And that hurts in a completely different pattern than a disc will irritate you with, and I'll show you what that looks like on another video. There's also things such as sacroiliac joint issues. That's where the pelvis meets your tailbone. It's a very different area. So what that looks like on x-rays is you can see these discs. There's a couple hooks on the front there, and this joint is much smaller than those joints, for example. So that's what arthritis will look like on an x-ray. And also there's spinal curvatures. So it's when the spine curves over time, and that also places stress on the discs and the joints. So again, there's many types of places that low back pain can arise from. The most important thing that we can do is thoroughly identify exactly what the causation is, where it's coming from, and each one of the treatment protocols is completely different based upon what the condition is. So again, thank you for tuning in. On the next video, I'll go ahead and show you exactly what those issues will cause. Again, my name is Dr. Keith Branty from Coastal Chiropractic in Madison, Connecticut. Thank you so much for tuning in.